Hello, my brides. You are so lucky. What a day we have for you here. I'm here with bride Vanessa and bride Dani, and we are giving you a bridal booty lift for those fit and flare dresses that just hug you in all the right spots. Today, because I have my special guests here, please follow Vanessa if you're newer to DanceBody and you're just kind of getting your feet wet. If you are hardcore and ready to really push it, you are following Dani today. She has a 2-pound D weight nearby, so just make sure you have one of those if you're going to go to town. We're going to start on all fours today, so shoulders are over those wrists. Nice relaxed shoulders, suctioning up that belly button towards that spine. Let's go ahead and extend our right leg out to your number 4, turning that knee to the side, flexing that foot, relax those shoulders. Here we go. We lift it straight up. So if you'll notice, Dani and I are wearing our 1-pound sculpt bands because we are kind of going to amp it up today. I'm going to kind of be in the middle. Dani's really going to be pushing it to varsity levels. And Vanessa's just going to kind of get started here, right, Vanessa? Yep. So we're just lifting and lowering here, relaxing those shoulders. You'll see Dani is lifting her left arm. A little extra credit. She's got a lot of extra credit to do here today. Let's hold it right at that number 4, little baby presses. You're gonna flex your foot here. Now these are pretty small. You don't wanna go too far here. These are nice and focused. Feeling it right underneath that booty, kind of where that thigh and that ass connect. Nice little fast area. So Dani again is adding an arm there. So if you can, add an arm, really go for it. Testing that balance. Now, if you just kind of want to test the waters, make sure those abs are functioning, kind of lift an arm really quick, test it out. Okay, we're going to combo those first 2 moves. Right here we go. Down, up, in, and press. Down, up, in, press. You'll notice we stay on that number 4 because we are targeting the glute medius. As I say, the fillet of the butt cheek. It's the most important muscle. You want to make sure it's nice, lifted, and toned to make sure you're really getting the most out of these exercises. So number 4 it is. That's our glute medius. Last 4. Dani's adding that fun little arm there. Ooh, with a D weight. Nice. Good. 4 more like this. Last 4. Yep. Last 3. Last 2. Last 1. Hold it up there. Hold that leg up there. Go ahead, float that arm up if you want. If not, you're going to follow Vanessa. We're going to tap that toe behind your body. Knee is turned out. And go right back. So it's tap, release. You're holding that knee up at the side, right? That knee is turned out, pressing that arm back. I know Vanessa's enjoying her butt lift today without adding this arm, right? So you either follow Dani or you can follow me. You can kind of add that arm halfway if you want to challenge yourself just a little bit without going overboard. But that knee is definitely turned out. So you're feeling that glute medius kind of coming alive. Okay, we're gonna do a few more here, last 4, then we're gonna hold it in that position and pulse it. Last 2, hold it here, hold that opposite arm up, pulse and lift. That knee is turned out, there you go, square those hips, side of that butt cheek, lift it up. If you're with Dani, oh yeah, you're holding that D weight, back of that arm is feeling it. Hold it here, keep it rocking for 8, 7, 6, 5, for 4, 3, 2, number 5, we press it back. So now we're going to a little bit different area, a little different angle for the butt, but again, not going too far on that leg, right? So these are nice and small, focused. If you're ready, we're gonna play a little game. We're gonna bring our right hand over, feel underneath your butt cheek where it kind of connects to your leg. You should feel that muscle kind of lighting up because that knee is turned out, flexed in the foot. You want to feel that little glute muscle engaging over and over again. Oh, and I see Dani has again decided to rock your world with a little stabilization here. Nice little extra credit. Okay, does anyone feel this? Oh, yes. I mean, you can't really say no. I mean, they really have to say yes, but I am definitely feeling this. We're gonna move it along here, keep it rocking. I want you to notice the numbers on your hex mat. We're gonna go into an around the world. Follow me right here. We go 5, 4, 3, 4. 5, 4, 3, 4. 5, 4, 3. So if you don't have a hex mitt, you're going cross diagonal, open diagonal, straight to the side. Right, hitting those 3 points around the world, just like your honeymoon's gonna be, baby. There we go. So Dani is adding that little extra credit arm on your number 3 to the side. That little extension on that arm, if you're ready. Little press. I'm gonna do a couple, because I'm kind of advanced. Yep, flexing that foot, really feeling it. Okay, booty's on fire here, guys. I don't know about you, but yeah, I'm feeling it. Whew, okay, we're gonna hold it at the number 5 on this last round. Number 5, straighten that leg, stretch behind the knee, little flex pulse. Now relax those shoulders, belly button suctioning up towards that spine. Definitely wanna feel that side of the glute. Oh yes, Dani, with that arm. All right, she's getting really into that back area, which is really nice. Her palms facing down, so she's really kind of carving into that back. Press it up, flex that foot. I know Vanessa's still feeling it, even without an arm. You do not need an arm to feel this for sure. 8, 7, 6, 5, last 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're gonna bring the opposite elbow down. Left elbow's coming down. Bring that right leg higher. You're gonna drive that right knee to the right elbow, press it back. Whew, okay. Now, every time that knee comes to the elbow, you want to feel the right oblique tighten up. Right, so you're getting a nice little combo move. Okay, Dani is going into a plank now. Oh my gosh, Dani. So she's going into a plank as she pulls that knee right up towards that elbow. Let's try a couple. If you're going kind of at a medium pace with me here, why not? Whew. Last 4 for 4. Press it back. Go a little higher every time. 2. Last 1. Hold it at the very top. Little kicks. Point that toe like you're flicking a little droplet of water off that toe. Now flex it. Little circles up and over. About the size of a softball, no bigger. 4, 3, 2. Finish it up. Do it again. Push it out. Little presses go maybe 1 inch higher. Need to have this butt lift, people. Flex it and circle it back. Oh yes. Finish it for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower that knee down, knees together. Push that body up. Go ahead, sit that body to the side. Whew. Okay. We all right? We survived. Solid. Okay. So sitting that butt to the side. I think it's so fun that we're all getting married at like the same time. I honestly thought I would be doing this solo, so this is really fun. Go ahead and stretch out even that stabilizing leg. Both sides kind of got grilled there. Sorry for that, but we had to do it to you. It's our job. So, all right, we're gonna go into our other side. Whew, relax those shoulders. Go ahead, trace your left foot out to your number 5. Spinning that knee to the side, little baby lifts, up and drop. Now, checking that body here, relaxing those shoulders, making sure that belly button's holding up to the spine. Nice long neck, long back. We're just warming it up here. Getting this body prepared for all the bridal festivities that you're gonna be forced to do very soon. Yep, keep it rocking. Last 8. I know Dani has a special arm going. Nice work, Dani. Whew. Okay, let's hold it at the top, little baby presses. Yes, okay, now remember, these are super tight and focused. This is that area right between the ass and the thigh, the fast, as it were. Little baby presses. If you're wearing sculpt bands, definitely feeling this extra credit here. Yep, press it through. Kind of like you're closing a door with that heel. You really want that energy going through the heel. Press it for 8, 7, 6 is where you have to push. For 4, 3. Combination. Right here we go down, up, in, press. Down, up, in, and press. Nice and focused. So I had my first alteration appointment today, which is very exciting. But the first thing she did was took all the pins and made the booty super tight, which I want. But at the same time, I was like, all right, we better make a butt lift video pretty immediately. Down, up, in, out. Down, up, in, press. We're almost there. Yep. Feeling it, loving it, living it. Okay, hold it here. We tap it back, extension, back, extension. So you're either following Vanessa with both arms down, you're gonna follow me if you're gonna do kind of a halfway here, or you're going Dani's route, which is always exciting, with that weight pressing it back and down. So that knee is staying right in place. All you're doing is just bending that leg in, forcing that glute medius to come alive. Really make sure it's nice and perky. So important, as I always say. Your butt is your face from behind, and especially on your big day, no way to hide it. Everyone's looking at you, girl. Gotta make sure you're ready. Last 4, last 3, last 2. Hold it here on 1. Palm is to the sky, we lift. Little attitude. Now, if you're having a hard time feeling this move, flex your foot. You'll feel it a little bit more. Relax those shoulders. Wear it out, wear it out. Yep. Remember, make sure those abs are nice and tight so you're not flexing your spine. Press it through. 8, 7, 6, 5. Last 4, 3, 2, and 1. Press it, number 4. All the way driving that heel to your number 4 here. I feel like you guys were more excited on the first butt cheek. Is that possible? Just a little, yeah. It's a lot, but you know, wearing the color white gets a little unforgiving, shall we say. So we take this work pretty seriously, just on the daily. Keep it rocking right here. Make these nice and small and focused. Really want to warm up this area before we move on. Okay, around the world we go. 4, 5, 6, 5. So we're going crossed, open to the side, open, cross it back. Do not let that leg go down. So you want to stay at least at hip height and above. Oh yes. I know Dani's adding that extra arm on that number 6. Hit, press, ooh. Press, side, hit, back. Cross, open, side, back. This is where that left oblique comes in. Little whittle the middle, if you will. Almost there. Last 4. Last 3. Last 2. Okay, this last one, we're gonna hold it on that number 4. Straighten behind that knee, pulse. Flex that foot, pulsing that side of that booty. I know Dani's gonna start to do something spicy for you. I don't know what it is. Oh, and there she is. Yes. She's like, do I have to? And I was like, yes, you have to. Yep. So really feeling it here. So she's, again, engaging her back here. She's pressing that palm down, making sure she's squeezing all the juice out of this motion. Keep it going here. We're in the home stretch now. Really all it is with butt lifting is just kind of lift your leg up for a long extended period of time to force it into engaging that muscle. Let's count it down. Last 8, 7, 6, 5, for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bringing that right elbow all the way down to the ground. Lifting that left leg up a little bit higher. We're connecting that knee to the elbow. Right, here we go. In, press. In, press. So extra credit here. You really want to think about kissing that knee to your elbow and really engaging that left oblique. So this is kind of a sneaky ab move at the same time. As long as that leg is staying high, we're engaging that glute. I know Dani's going into that crazy plank, where she's lifting that bottom knee, suctioning up, belly button towards that spine. Let's keep it going right here. Bring it in. If you want to kind of lean into that right arm and get a little bit more action on those abs, definitely a choice. Why not? We're here anyways. Might as well get most of what we can here. Keep it going. Last 8 and 7 and 6. Last 5, 4, press that heel back. Last 2, last 1, get it a little higher here, point and kick. Flicking that little droplet of water off that toe. Make sure that leg is nice and high. Whew. While you're here, make sure that neck and shoulders are relaxed. Flex that foot, baby circle. Nice. Small little focus circles. Keep it here for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Flick that toe one more. Flick it out. Energy right out that toe. Finishing strong. Flex that foot. Up and over. Just think about these pictures that you'll get taken that will last forever. I want to make sure that you're very proud of your booty in these pictures forever as well. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly bring that knee down. Oh, yes. Let's get our little stretch as we sit that hip to the side, knees together, hovering above that mat, stretching out that abductor. Other side. Oh, yeah. Okay, while we're here, go ahead, bring that right leg forward into your pigeon position. Stretch that left leg behind. Inhale your body up. Exhale your body down so your forearms are down to the ground. I mean, we're here anyways. We might as well get a nice little stretch. We need it. Dani's like, I am sweating. You made me use this weight. I love it. Let's go ahead, tuck in that left. I didn't realize how much I was torturing my brides back here. This is great. All right, inhale it up. Exhale it down. Stretch your body over that right leg. Now, we just contracted that muscle a lot. Now we want to think about lengthening that muscle. Go even deeper. On your exhale, sink down just a little bit more. Hold it here for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, other side. Let's go ahead, bring that left leg in front into that pigeon position. Sliding that right leg behind you. Inhale it up. Exhale it down, forearms down to the ground. I mean, our booties are lifted and tight. It's like one less thing to worry about. Just like, right? Check it off the list. Then I need a photographer, a DJ, a caterer, a venue, right? Like all those other things we need. Inhale it up. Exhale it down. I honestly feel like the list never ends. So at least we can cross the body off the list. I mean, it's one less thing as far as I see it. Exhale it down a little bit lower. Release that leg. Hold it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Go ahead, swing that right leg around. While we're here, big inhale it up and exhale it over. Oh, so tough. Really flex those feet. Start to pull your body down. With every exhale, just go a little bit lower. One more time. Big inhale it up. And exhale it through. Oh my gosh, yes. High five, high five. Listen, we're getting married no matter what. So this is all happening. Very exciting times. I'm just so happy to be able to spend it with my friends. This is so cool. So I hope you're excited too. And I hope you're much more excited now that you feel a little bit lifted from behind. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a great workout.